Looking for a powerful and durable laptop to meet all your work needs? The Dell Latitude 3550 is the perfect choice. Equipped with a sharp 15.6-inch FHD screen, thin bezels, for a vivid visual experience. Powered by Intel Ultra 7155U, 12 cores, surpassing i7-1355U, quickly handles all tasks from office to light graphics. Huge memory with 64GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB PCI SSD, extremely smooth multitasking, comfortable storage, super fast data retrieval. Modern connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, stable, fast, ready for any working environment. Backlit keyboard, integrated fingerprint sensor, convenient, optimal security. Windows 11 Pro operating system, friendly interface, supporting professional work. Dell Latitude 3550, the ideal choice for businessmen, engineers, office workers requiring high performance and outstanding durability. Please buy here, thank you.